Stench. It means a strong, unpleasant smell. Example, what's that stench? It smells terrible in here. Quarrel. It means a heated argument or disagreement. Example, they had a quarrel about who should clean the house. Sorrow means a feeling of deep distress caused by loss or disappointment. Example, she felt deep sorrow after hearing the sad news. Foam means to amass of small bubbles formed on or in liquid. Example, the coffee had a thick layer of foam on top. Dust means to refers to fine, dry particles of matter. Example, there was a lot of dust on the old books. Bargaining means negotiating the terms and conditions of a transaction. Example, she was good at bargaining and got a great deal. Separate means to divide or cause to divide into parts. Example, separate the white clothes from the colored ones before washing. Sweat means to moisture exuded through the pores of the skin, typically in response to heat, physical exertion, or stress. Example, he was covered in sweat after his workout. Provoke means to stimulate or incite someone to do or feel something, especially by arousing anger. Example, don't provoke him, he gets angry easily. Affection means to gentle feeling of fondness or liking. Example, she showed great affection for her cat. Apologize means to express regret for something that one has done wrong. Example, he apologized for being late to the meeting. Sow means to plant seeds by scattering them on or in the earth. Example, it's time to sow the seeds for the spring harvest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.